Wait. Yes, a very warm and a pleasant good morning to class 6. Yes, children, I can see here Cheshta, Chahat, Ted, Deshna, Tani, and no one else. Ruby, I can see. Arihant, I can see now. Okay, so keep your videos on beta because this is going to be a test series now. So we need to write it down and sit at a place where you have a table and a chair and sit quietly. Don't make faces and be sit in a calm and a quiet place so that no disturbances should be there. Keep your videos on and mic off. The moment I'm going to ask you the question, at that time you will answer me, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Don't be late in class, beta. It's already 10 minutes have we have 5 minutes past. Now let's begin. All of you, all the students are going to keep their videos on. I'm not going to ask it again and again. And I asked for the storytelling videos. Not a single child has forwarded it to me. Not a single child, if you remember. Tirth, you said no, you will do that.
Ma'am,
Huh?
we have to read the story.
Not read. You have to tell the story. You forgot it.
Ma'am, story competition कब है?
हो गया, date has passed. Tomorrow is the last. Today is the last date. Start our class. Yes, I gave you all some work. Who can tell me what work I have given to you?
Ma'am, I have gone out of the station to ma'am. I have not. I don't know what is story competition.
I don't know about story competition. No problem. Today I gave you all some work, if you remember. What work was that, Cheshta?
Ma'am,
Don't remember. Take Baradia, what work I gave?
Ma'am, storytelling, moral storytelling
That is
competition.
separate thing. About your coursework, what I have given to you.
Olympic test.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Olympic granny test.
Will take a test.
Olympic granny, right? Only Olympic granny? No.
Ma'am, Maricom also.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, Maricom.
ma'am, oral test or written test?
Today it will be like I will be reading out, giving you a question and you need to write the answers. That's why your cameras will be kept on. Are you all ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
And no cheating, I guess. Ready? Sometimes I can say, ki, beta, you have to give me the oral. So at that time, you will be giving me the oral answers. And sometimes I will be giving you the written. So you will be giving me the written answers, right? So first question will be in written format. Are you all ready? With the copy and a pen? Okay. What about the rest of the students? Adi, Manya, Deshna, switch on your cameras, beta. I request you all to keep the cameras on. Got it. Deshna, Tanika, Nimisha, Harsh Barlota, Vanshika, Manya. Cameras on, beta. Okay, so the first question for you is, what is Mary's advice to other Indian women? What is Mary's advice to other Indian women? What is Mary's advice to other Indian women? Two minutes for one answer. Immediately you have to write it down. Immediately. I guess all are writing. Next question. What was Mary's inspiration? What was Mary's inspiration? What was Mary's inspiration? Arham, Vanshika, Tani, Manya, Harsh, Hardik, no one has kept the video on. My question to you is, what was Mary's inspiration? Again, 2 minutes for one answer. Those who are not keeping the videos on, I will not accept their answers. Okay, next question. What are Mary Com's most important achievements? What are Mary Com's most important achievements? Question mark. What are Mary Com's most important achievements? What essential lesson has her journey taught her? What essential lessons has her journey taught her? I repeat the question. What are Mary Com's most important achievements? What essential lessons has her journey taught her?
Ma'am, what essential message you want?
What essential lessons has her journey taught her? Again, 2 minutes for your answer. Keep your videos on, all of you. I won't be saying it again and again. Repeatedly the same thing. Yes, Aryan. Wait for 1 more minute. I have to give time, same time to everyone. Take care of handwriting, punctuation marks, capital letters, full stop, everything. Just wait for 30 seconds more. I will give one more question, long answer. Value-based question. Mary, next question please. All of you note it down. Mary had to face many hurdles to move towards achieving her dream. I repeat, Mary had to face many hurdles to move towards achieving her dream to become a world champion in boxing. Elaborate. I repeat my question. Mary had to face many hurdles to move towards achieving her dream to become a world champion in boxing. Elaborate.
Ma'am, please say again the last question.
ऐसे नहीं बोलते मैम को. You should say मैम can you please pardon once again. Pardon means एक बार और बोलेंगे आप. Request करते हैं टीचर से, right? Mary had to face many hurdles, HURDLES, hurdles to move towards achieving her dream to become a world champion in boxing. To become a world champion in boxing. Elaborate.
Ma'am, please can you say small lines?
Sixth time I have read out the question. You're in class 6th and you should know how to write the answers. I'm sorry. I guess all have written the answers. Okay. Now this will be your oral test. Your first question to Anant Parak. Anant, switch on your camera. Anand, switch on your camera. Oral test for you. I promised myself. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. I promised myself and I have proved myself. Says Mary Kom. ये लाइन किसने बोला? मैरी कॉम ने. How did she prove herself? How did she prove herself?
By winning awards.
By winning awards. Okay.
And being inspiration for women and youth.
Okay. Good enough. Good. My next question to Arham Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Today only, better. Today or tomorrow you will be
Ma'am,
getting.
on.
Huh?
Ma'am, on.
Yes, Aram. Your question is, what were the two difficulties that Mary Kom faced?
No, sir.
Being a woman and from a village. Listen,
Being poor and diminutive.
बेटा पहले क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन.
Yes, ma'am.
Poor and diminutive, being a woman and from a village, being physically disabled, being ugly and sick. What?
Being poor and diminutive.
That's A. Being poor and diminutive. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Now next question to Harsh Barlota. Your question is Harsh. Are you ready? Switch on your camera and mic. Switch on your camera and mic, Harsh Barlota.
Yes, ma'am.
What is Mary Com's advice to women? What is Mary Com's advice to women? Options are to play sports and aspire to win, to sacrifice their careers for their family, to be more self-confident, all of the above.
Ma'am, to be more self-confident.
No. My question was, what is Mary Com's advice to women? Tani, can you answer me? कुशल तुम शांत बैठोगे?
No, ma'am.
No. Good. Kushal, can you give me the answer?
मैं अच्छे याद नहीं हुआ मैरी कॉम वाला चैप्टर बस.
Very good. Congratulations for the examination. You will be failed very soon.
Can I?
Don't study at all.
मैम वही चैप्टर.
This is the last week, children. After this, I don't want to listen that कि हमारी तैयारी नहीं हुई है. Yes, Tanika, give me the answer.
Ma'am, option A, to play sports and achievement.
And aspire.
Achieve. Aspire.
I don't want to listen.
Man, can I tell?
Wait, next question, let me ask. Give the meaning of the word. No one will open the book. No one will open the book. You have to be honest. Give the meaning of the word D-I-M-I-N-U-T-I-V-E, diminutive. Give the meaning of the word diminutive. D-I-M-I-N-U-T-I-V-E. Yes. Yes, it.
Extremely.
Extremely. Very good. Good job. Okay.
Ma'am,
Sentence. Hold on, please. Tanika, can you make a sentence with the word diminutive? Tanika, can you make a sentence with the word diminutive? You all can write it in copy if you feel. If you want to write this word make sentence, you can write it down. The meaning of the word diminutive is extremely, and I want a sentence with the help of the word diminutive. Can anyone of you try? Yes, Tanika.
Ma'am, can I tell answer?
Will you will tell me. Just let me ask them, those who don't answer. Okay. Tanika, no answer?
no,
can
ma'am,
I?
I'm not able
Ma'am, can
to.
I try?
Yes, Aryan. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, I am third.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
third is
word क्या है?
Leave it. Arham.
Ma'am, word क्या है? Yes, ma'am.
You were sleeping, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
You were sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Why haven't you heard the word? The word is diminutive. D-I-M-I-N-U-T-I-V-E.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning? Ma'am,
Aram, I got the meaning already. Extremely.
ma'am, can I say the sentence?
Yes. Say.
Mary Kom is diminutive, small for boxing.
Height wise, beta, not small in the form of age. Small can be like anything. Okay. Now reform the sentence again.
Mary Kom is
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, Mary Kom is diminutive in Olympic. Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Mary Kom faced many hurdles being poor and diminutive.
No, not the correct sentence. Diminutive means extremely. बहुत ज़्यादा. Mary Kom is having a diminutive nature for her work. वो अपने काम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करती है. Got it? Now next word is I would like to ask from Manya. Manya.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes. Manya, your word is predominantly. What is the meaning of the word predominantly? Predominantly. Wait. No answer. Aram?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, chiefly. Answer is chiefly.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
chiefly. Chiefly.
Chiefly. Okay.
Ma'am, meaning of predominantly. Ma'am, mainly. Chiefly.
Is chiefly, chief. बहुत importantly. ठीक है? Now who can make a sentence out of it?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, sir. Try.
Mary Kom is. Ma'am, word भूल गया. Mary Kom is predominantly for boxing.
Yes. Predominantly for boxing.
Predominantly for boxing.
Yes. Now, next question. To Cheshta. Switch on your camera and mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is, how do you keep yourself alert in the ring? Who said this word sentence to whom? I repeat my question. How do you keep yourself, how do you keep yourself alert in the ring? Who said this word to whom? Who said this sentence to whom?
मैम जो क्या बोलूं मैम मैरी कॉम से कहा था और मैम किसने कहा था वो नहीं पता
Said this word to whom?
मैम जब मैरी कॉम इंटरव्यू देने गई थी तो उनके साथ जो थे उन्होंने मैरी कॉम से ऐसा पूछा
Who?
मैम वो आई डोंट नो नेम
Now what you have to do is, when I am asking the beta that you have test today, reported to Maricom, correct answer te Varadia. Beta, whenever I am saying that test, the test means I never take any copy or pen. See, this is the book. And I start from any corner of the book. Any corner of the book. I don't have any specific question answers or back exercises or blah blah so many things. I start in my end and I will pick the question from any corner of the book. That means when you are preparing yourself, you have to prepare yourself 100%, whether it is grammar, whether it is whatever is given in this book with that chapter. Chapter की शुरुआत से लेके आखिरी के end तक के. I can ask you any questions from any corner. Now, one more question. That is related to tense. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense or present continuous tense of the verbs given in the bracket. I will read out one sentence. In the bracket, the answer is given. But you have to set the correct formation of that particular word in the sentence. आपको बात समझ में आई? You will get a fill in the blanks with that option of that verb. VERB verb का option दिया रहेगा. Very clear? After this, you have to understand and change its form. You have to change the form it into the continuous form. Clear? So you can use like be, have, known, believe, appear, doubt, feel, think, a few others like this. Now let's see. Fill in the blanks with a simple present tense or present continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. Clear? The first sentence is we dash hard, but the sum is really difficult to solve. We dash hard, but this sum is really difficult to solve. In the bracket, the word is given try.
Tried.
Ma'am, we are trying.
Beta, will it be Cheshta? We tried hard. आप यही बोलना चाहते हैं?
No,
The answer will be T-R-I-E-D, tried, or T-R-Y-I-N-G, trying. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, trying.
We trying.
Tried. Tried.
We tried hard,
Tried.
but this sum is really difficult to solve.
Tried, ma'am.
Correct. Next question to Kushal Parak. Kushal,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I dash. When I'm saying the question, beta, other students please note it down in the copy so that at least you can practice and think, na ma'am kya पूछ रही है हमसे? What ma'am is trying to ask? I dash. I will go home right now. I dash. I will.
I did
I will go home
go.
right now. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
The word is think. In the bracket,
Think.
the word is think. T-H-I-N-K, think.
ma'am, thinking.
I'm thinking.
I am thinking.
I'm thinking. Will I go home right now?
I'm thinking I will go home right now. Wait. Simple present tense, present continuous tense. I am thinking. Yes. Got it now?
Ma'am, I am right now.
So you're
Yes, ma'am.
okay, I can pick any question from anywhere. Did you all understood this? Right? Got it, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That I can give from anywhere? Any question, right? So you have to prepare yourself very, very well. Olympic granny, we all have practiced very nicely, I guess. But only one question I will ask now. Then to,
Ma'am, can I?
wait. Many students have not answered, beta. I have to give.
Me.
Chirag. Wait. Chirag. Where is Chirag gone? Gone. जैसी मैंने बुलाया चला गया. Nimisha. Beta, one last question to you. What is the fact that makes grandma absolutely incredible? What is the fact that makes grandma absolutely incredible? What is the fact that makes grandma absolutely incredible?
Ma'am, that she's age 90, but she can still do Olympics and she wins.
Yes, very true, beta. But you have to frame the sentence in a much better way. Okay, right? So next period we will continue with the test, right? Test will be continued, children, so be prepared with it. Next class we will be having the test of the women painters of Mithila and Indian weavers. Unit 5 test, right? Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.